Well, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hope you're having a good one. It is Tuesday, February 25th, 2025. Yay. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Just got back to the house, dropped in here. I'm going to try to get this out. Uh, yeah, all the fun stuff. Had to run to the grocery store, get a couple things. I've had so much chili, it's unreal, and I just went and bought a bunch of Fritos for chili pie. That's what I'm going to have when I get done cooking here, or get done doing this and cook, or however you want to call it, chili pie. Yeah, it's a good thing. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing good. Uh, Supposed to actually get nice out today. I think we're supposed to hit 65, 70 ballpark. That's nice. Uh, I'm gonna have to try to see what the weather's looking like for the next week. Who knows? I might need to try to have a something go on Thursday, Friday. We'll see. Oh, always so much stuff. I don't seem to have enough time to do half of what I want to do. Don't know about y'all, but trying to do day things in the middle of the night, people look at you strange. You know, yes, I want to mow my lawn 3 a.m. No, no. Hey, it's the middle of my day or the end of my day or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Um, so folks don't really like it when you do something like that to them. But then, life happens. Uh, but then they always do their lawns in the middle of my night, which is the middle of their day. So it is what it is. Anyway, uh, got a phone call. Some guy's supposed to be coming by tomorrow. Look at the house. So yay. Hope something goes good with that. But I don't know. I think he's one of those house flipper types. Yeah. Wants to take everything from me and then triple his money on it. Nope. Yeah. We'll see. Can't condemn him before I've even met him. But it is what it is. Anyway, let's see what else. Uh, yeah. Got to call and talk to my boss today when he gets up and gets to the job. He worked yesterday morning because he was up early and had a long day. So pretty much he went home, went to sleep, and got the other girl to come in for the morning. Yay. But I got to call him. He goofed on my hours. Life happens. It's not like I can't survive missing a couple. Life goes on. What else was there? Yeah, they were talking about the digital nomad Terry something over there does a lot about the immigration and such, and was talking about digital nomad there in the Philippines. They're trying to get it going again so that folks can come over there and you know work elsewhere but live there. And you can do it for a year at a time for 2 years in a row. And then I guess you got to leave and come back later. Hey, 2 years, tropical islands. I can see that being a nice thing. Might be why I want to get over there. Tropical islands to go fishing off of. I am ready to go to the Philippines. Got these few things I got to get going and done. And I got to get this stuff here out into my car for Saturday club meeting. Hit them with a bunch of this stuff and see if anybody wants any of it. Yay. It is what it is. I don't know. But if nothing else, I'll have it at least packed up, ready to go for uh, the swap meet that they have. I think it's April or May. So I can carry everything out there and put it on a sheet and say, "Here's what I got." Have a bunch of people look at it that day. So yay. Yeah. Boy, I'm sorry. I'm a bit on the tired side. The watch and the sleep app thing, the application for sleeping says I'm averaging about 6 hours and 3 minutes. Yeah, I'm barely getting 6. But hey, it is what it is. And that's a good thing. Be nice to have more. We'll get it there. And trying to keep track of the exercise and stuff. It says I'm up from last month on my steps. Yay. But I'm also not getting all of them because this thing has to charge. So I don't know. Doesn't last a whole day. I think it's getting about 16 hours, if that. So I have to charge it a couple times. You know, charge it to get to go through for my sleep, and then try and hit it and charge it a little bit to make it through my day, and then charge it again to go to sleep. Uh, be nice to have better batteries. Was looking at they got the MacBook Pro, the M1 version for like 450 or no 550. The M1 version of the MacBook Air I found for on Amazon for 450. Trying to decide which, or just wait and get a new one. Probably wait and get a new one. That way I won't have to upgrade ever again. It'll either last me or outlast me. Uh, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, this planning stuff for retiring to the Philippines, getting all the stuff I need to get done between now and then. Seems like it's all rushing up on me fast, dragging its feet. Severe case of hurry up and wait. I got used to that insanity from the military, Navy. Hurry up and wait. I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, gonna try to get a couple things done. See the guy tomorrow morning, and maybe try to get some stuff out onto the curb for trash, and then some stuff out into the yard for a garage sale. I don't know. Or at least get some stuff out to the front yard toward the house, and then be able to just move it out when I'm ready for the garage sale. Starting to get stuff stacked up out there. A little bit here, a little bit there. Got most of my other room empty. Still got stuff to go over there, though, too. But it is what it is. I'm getting bits and pieces here and there. Be nice to get a whole bunch of everything done in one day, but seems like you hit the wall on occasion. You can only go so far so fast, and then you've outrun yourself. It is what it is. Anyway, this is Williams Philippines. Come along for the journey into my retirement and to the Philippines to be a beach bum. Come along for the insanity. Anyway, please hit like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I do get back on comments, so comment. Ain't seen a few people in a while. Missing y'all. Comment. Anyway, Williams Philippines, later blessings, bye bye. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and some more food. I'm fishing. Fish is out.